What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Instagram password even if you forgot it. Whether you want to update your Instagram password for security reasons or you just can't remember the current one, there are simple steps you can follow to reset it. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look at the top right corner and tap the three lines. In the settings menu that opens up, look for the Account Center near the top, which manages account and security settings across meta platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Once you're in the Account Center, scroll down and find Password and Security. Tap on it, and this will take you to the settings where you can update or reset your password. In the Password and Security menu, you will see an option for Change Password. Tap on this to bring up the password change screen. If you remember your current password, go ahead and enter it in the field provided. Then, create a new password and re-enter it to confirm. Once you're done, tap Change Password at the bottom to save it. But if you don't remember your current password, don't worry, there's a solution for that as well. Tap on Forgot Password on the password change screen, and Instagram will prompt you to confirm your identity by sending a reset link to your registered email address. Once you receive the email from Instagram, open it and click on the Reset Password link. This will redirect you back to Instagram, where you can set a new password for your account. Be sure to create a strong password that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. After entering your new password and confirming it, tap Save to complete the process. You'll be automatically logged in with your updated password. If you logged in to Instagram on multiple devices, you may be prompted to log back in with the new password on each device for added security. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.